Hello guys, this is your Mark TV and sa video na ito, i-discuss natin about factory trinomials in the form ax² plus bx plus c where a is greater than 1. Alright, before tayo mag-proceed sa discussion na ito, be sure na napanood ninyo yung previous video about factoring trinomials in the form x² plus bx plus c kung saan yung value of a is 1. Kasi dito sa video na ito is i-discuss naman natin kung paano natin i-factor to kung saan yung value ng a ay hindi 1. So yung mga trinomials na nag-uumpisa sa 2x², 3x², mga ganyan-ganyan. So paano natin kunin yung mga factors niyan. Alright, bago yon, kukunin muna natin yung dalawang numbers with the given sum and product, kagaya ng ginawa natin last time. Okay, so umpisa tayo sa sum, which is 8, and then the product, which is 12. So kukunin natin yung dalawang numbers na yon. So ang gagawin is kunin muna natin yung factors ng 12. So meron tayong 1 and 12, tapos 2 and 6, and 3 and 4. Ayan. And since yung sum nila is positive, so yung factors nila ay lahat positive. Okay? So kunin na natin yung sum bawat pair ng numbers, no? So we have 1 plus 12, 13. Hindi siya nag-equal sa 8, so tuloy tayo. 2 plus 6 is 8. So nag-equal siya dito sa given sum. And yung two numbers na hinahanap natin ay 2 and 6. Ayan. Next, number 2. Yung sum natin is negative 10 while the product is 21. Again, kukunin natin yung dalawang numbers na yon. Okay? So sa product na 21, kunin muna natin yung factors nun. So we have 1 and 21. Tapos 3 and 7. Yun lang. Okay? And since the sum is negative, diba? Both numbers must be negative. So we have negative 1 and negative 21 na kapag pinat-add natin yung dalawang negative numbers, ang sagot dun ay negative. Ganun din naman sa negative 3 and negative 7. Okay. Then, kukunin natin yung sum, 1 and 21. So, the sum is negative 22. And then negative 3 plus negative 7, that is negative 10. So nag-equal siya dito. So ibig sabihin nun, itong dalawang numbers ang hinahanap natin. So we have negative 3 and negative 7. Ayan. Next, number 3, sum is negative 6 and the product is negative 27. So, ilista muna natin lahat ng pairs of factors of 27. So, we have 1 and 27 and 3 and 9. Yung product is negative, diba? So, dapat yung dalawang numbers ay magkaiba yung sign. Kasi sa 1 and 2, positive yung product. So, dapat parehas yung sign nila. Positive, positive, or negative, negative. Depende kung anong sign ng given sum. Okay, kaya gaya dito, kaya pares positive yung product at positive din yung sum. Tapos dito naman, kaya negative parehas yan kasi negative yung product, negative times negative is positive, tapos negative din yung sum. Okay, kaya pares negative. So balik tayo dito. Dahil ang product ay negative, magkaiba dapat yung sign yung dalawang number. Okay? Pero paano natin malalaman kung alin sa kanila ay positive, alin sa kanila ay negative? So titingin muna tayo sa sum, which is negative 6. Okay, negative yung sum. So ang masusunod is yung mas malaking number, which is dapat ay negative. So gawin natin negative si 27 at saka si 9. So that we have 1 and negative 27 and then 3 and negative 9. Ayan. Mas malaki dapat yung negative. So that yung sum nila pag pinag-add is negative. Okay? So, kunin natin yung sum nila. So, 1 plus negative 27 is negative 26. And 3 plus negative 9 is negative 6. Nag-equal siya dito sa given sum. Ito. So, yung dalawang numbers natin ay 3 and negative 9. And then, lastly, sa number 4, sum is 5 and the product is negative 50. Again, ilista natin lahat ng factors nito. So, we have 1 and 50, 2 and 25. Di pwedeng 3, di rin pwede 4. Yun, 5 and 10. Ayan. Again, negative yung product. So, magkaiba dapat yung sign. Kaya lang, di natin alam kung alin sa kanilang positive or negative. So, tingin tayo sa sum. And since positive yung sum, ang masusunod is yung mas malaking number na dapat ay positive din. At kung positive dapat yung malaking number, ano yung isa? Negative. So, gawin natin negative yung mga mas maliliit na number. Negative 1, negative 2, and negative 5. Ayan. So that kapag pinag-add natin yung maliit na negative sa malaking positive, so yung sum nila is positive. Okay? Kasi mas malaki yung sa positive. Okay. Kunin na natin yung sum. Negative 1 plus 50 is 49. Negative 2 plus 25 is 23. And negative 5 plus 10 is 5. So, nag-equal siya dito. So, therefore, ito yung dalawang numbers na hinahanap natin. Negative 5 and 10. Alright, dito sa whiteboard na ito is makikita natin yung trinomial na 3x² plus 8x plus 4. So, iba yun sa trinomial na discuss natin last time before this video kung saan yung coefficient ng x² ay 1. Yan yung tinatawag na leading coefficient, no? Yung numerical coefficient ng pinakamataas na term. Okay? Kasi dito sa video na ito is yung leading coefficient ng expression na ito ay greater than 1. So in this case, ang leading coefficient nito ay 3. Okay? So papaano natin kunin yung factors ng ganitong uri ng trinomial? Okay, so dahil yung leading coefficient ay greater than 2, kukunin muna natin yung factors nito. So meron tayong dalawang term na kukunin ng factors, yung first term at saka yung last term. So sa first term muna tayo. Tapos last term. So sa first term, ang factors ng 3x² ay x and 3x. Ayan. Yan lang naman 1 and 3 lang naman, wala nang iba. Pero sa 4 naman, ang factors ng 4 ay 1 and 4. And then tapos 2 and 2. Ayan, these are the factors of first and last terms. And then, para ma-factor to, gagamit tayo ng trial and error na tinatawag. Ang gagamitin natin terms sa trial and error ay itong mga factors na nahanap natin. Okay? So, dito, gagawa tayo ng combination of binomial factors and then itetest natin isa-isa kung nag-match sa original expression na ito. So, para makabuo tayo ng terms, ito yung first term ng binomial natin, x tsaka 3x. Tapos, ito yung last term ng binomial natin, 1 and 4 or 2 and 2. So, yung possible combination natin or possible factors, ayan, yung possible natin factors natin ay yung first term is x tsaka 3x. And since yung sum natin, ano nga ulit yung sum nito? Yan yung numerical coefficient ng middle term, which is positive 8. Okay? So, since the sign of the sum is positive, so, dapat positive parehas yan. Okay? So, gamitin natin 1 tsaka 4. So, plus 1 and plus 4. Tapos, gawa pa tayo ng isa. X and 3x. Tapos, palitan natin yung last terms, no? Kaya, dito plus 4, and dito naman ay plus 1. And then tapos naman, x and 3x ulit. And this time, gagamit tayo ng 2 and 2. So, plus 2 and plus 2. Okay. Ayan ito yung possible factors natin. At isa sa kanila dapat ay yung totoong factors nito. So, anong gagawin natin? Siyempre, imumultiply natin yung bawat pairs of binomials at tignan natin kung mayroong nag-match yung product nila dito. Okay. Kaya lang, para makatipid sa oras, di ba, gagamitin natin yung FOIL method Gagamitin natin FOIL method sa pag-multiply ng dalawang binomials. Kaya lang, ang gagamitin lang natin is O and I. Outer and inner terms. Kasi ang puproblemahin natin is yung middle term na 8x. So, kailangan after gamitin natin yung outer tsaka inner terms sa FOIL, kailangan nag-equal siya dito. Okay? So, umpisa tayo sa x plus 1 and 3x plus 4. So, outer terms muna tayo. So, x times 4 is 4x. And then sa inner terms, 1 times 3x is 3x. So, 4x plus 3x is 7x. So, hindi siya nag-equal dito. So, hindi yan ang factors. Okay, next. X times 1 is x. Tapos, inner, 4 times 3x is 12x. And x plus 12x is 13x. Hindi rin siya nag-equal. So, hindi yan ang factors. Okay. Next. Dito naman, outer terms, x times 2 is 2x. And 2 times 3x is 6x. And then add natin, 2x plus 6x is 8x. And yes, nag-equal itong 8x sa middle term natin. Okay? Isa lang ang ibig sabihin yan. Meron na tayong factors na nahanap. And that is this one. So, ito yung totoong factors ng 3x squared plus 8x plus 4, which is x plus 2 multiplied by 3x plus 2. So, ganito yung pag-factor ng ganitong trinomial by using trial and error method. Yan ay kung yung leading coefficient ay greater than 1. Dito naman, we're using the same trinomial as before, but this time we're going to use another method. Ito yung tinatawag na AC method. Dito kasi, AC, di ba? Kaya naging AC yan kasi itong 3x squared plus 8x plus 4 is in form of ax squared plus bx plus c. So, yung a is the leading coefficient and the c is the constant term. So, and AC is the product of A and C. So, kukunin natin yung product ng 3 at saka 4 in this case. So, 3 times 4 is 12. Ayan yung magiging product natin. Okay? So, multiply mo lang to. Tapos, ano bang magiging sum natin? Again, yun yung numerical coefficient ng middle term, which is positive 8. So, ayan yung sum natin. Dahil yung sum at saka ng product ay given, makukuha natin yung dalawang numbers. Okay? So, gagaya ng ginawa natin kanina. Okay? So, the sum is 8 and the product is 12. So, kukunin muna natin yung factors ng product, which is 12. We have 1 and 12. 2 and 6, and 3 and 4. Since yung product is positive, so parehas sign dapat yan. Positive, positive, or negative, negative. However, yung sum is positive. So, dapat ang gamitin natin is positive, positive. Okay? So, no need to write the positive symbol. Because these are already positive. Ano? Next, kunin natin yung sum nila. So, 1 and 12 is 13. 2 and 6 is 8, and 3 and 4 is 7. Ayan. And itong 8 nag-equal siya sa middle term. So ito yung dalawang numbers na hinahanap natin, 2 and 6. Okay. Next, anong step ang susunod natin gagawin? Okay, so magsulat tayo ng parenthesis. Ayan. And then, ano bang magiging first term niya? Let us assume na yung first term natin ay nakabase sa leading coefficient. And the leading coefficient in this case is 3. So, yung first terms ng binomial factors ay isulat as 3x and 3x also. Okay? Ayan, 3x and 3x. Ito yung assumption natin na first term ay 3x. Okay? And then, ano naman yung last terms ng binomial? Manggagaling sila dito. 2 and 6. So, isulat na natin plus 2 and plus 6. Now, meron na tayong binomial factors. 3x plus 2 and 3x plus 6. The question is, final na ba to? Ito na ba factors na to? Ang sagot ay, hindi pa. Kasi, kagaya ng sinabi ko, nag-assume lang tayo na ito yung factors eh. Diba? Nag-assume lang tayo. Bakit ko sinabi yon? Kasi kung gagamitin natin ng Paul method to, sa first terms pa lang, 3x times 3x, ang product nun is 9x squared. So, hindi siya equal dito sa 3x squared. So, anong gagawin natin para mapalabas yung totoong factors nito? Ganito. Titignan mo yung bawat binomial, no? And then, see to it na merong common factor sa kanila. Okay? Ulitin ko. Titignan mo itong binomial and see to it na merong common factor sa kanila. Okay? So, umpisa tayo sa 3x plus 2 dito. So, as you can see, 3 and 2 has no common factors. So, wala. Iwanan natin itong factor na to as is. Okay? Dito naman, 3x plus 6. So, as you can see, 3 and 6 have common factors greater than 1. And that is 3. Because yung 3 and 6 are both divisible by 3. So, anong gagawin natin sa common factor na 3? Yan ang ipang-divide natin. So, i-divide natin itong binomial na ito by 3. And dividing this, so copy muna natin to 3x plus 2. And then, ayan na, i-divide natin itong binomial sa 3. So that we have 3x divided by 3 is x. And 6 divided by 3 is 2. So, ito na yung lumabas na factors ng 3x squared plus 8x plus 4. Pero bago natin i-declare na final ito, i-check muna natin by using FOIL method using this. Okay, 3x plus 2 and x plus 2. So, kunin muna natin yung product by using FOIL. So, 3x times x is 3x. Outer, 3x times 2 is 6x. Inner, 2 times x. And then, yung last term natin ay 2 times 2. And then, we have 3x squared plus 6 times 2. 6x plus 2x is 8x plus 4. And, there you go. Itong product na ito is nag-match dito sa given expression natin, no, which is 3x squared plus 8x plus 4. So, ibig sabihin, itong factors na ito ay tama at ito yung final answer sa dito. Okay? So, the factors of 3x squared plus 8x plus 4 is 3x plus 2 and x plus 2. Okay? So, itong method na to is also known as tinatawag na dreaming word. Dreaming word method. Bakit? Kasi, di ba, kapag natutulog tayo, di ba, minsan nananaginip tayo. So, kumbaga sa pagtulog natin habang pinafactor to, ito yung dream natin or ito yung panaginip. At kung paano natin tapusin yung panaginip, syempre, gumigising tayo. So, gigising tayo na ito yung factors. Okay? And, ito yung way para ma-factor natin itong uri ng trinomial ng mas mabilis. Okay? So, meron tayong set of examples na gagawin natin. Number 1, we have trinomial to factor 2x² plus 11x plus 12. Okay, so gagamitin nating method is AC or yung dreaming word. Pwede rin naman gamitin natin yung trial and error. Whichever na mas convenient sa inyo, kayo nang bahala doon. Pero dito, ang gagamitin natin is yung AC method. Okay? So, remember AC method. So, una natin gagawin is kukunin natin yung product ng coefficients, no, leading coefficient at saka constant term. So, 2 at saka ng 12. Ayan yung magiging product natin. So, yung product is 24. Tapos, yung sum is the numerical coefficient ng middle term. So, positive 11. Ayan. Okay. And then, saka natin kunin yung dalawang numbers na yon, no? So, umpisa tayo sa 24. Tapos, kunin natin yung factors doon. So, we have 1 and 24. Tapos, 2 and 12. 3 and 8. So, 4 and 6. Ayan. Medyo, dito natin ilagay 4 and 6. Ayan. Para hindi masyado siksikan. Alright. Tapos, kunin na natin yung sum. By the way, positive yung sum, no? So, positive parehas yan. Okay? Ayan. Kunin na natin yung sum. So, 1 plus 24 is 25. 2 plus 12 is 14. 3 plus 8 is 24 tuloy. 11. Ayan. And, meron tayong nakita, no? Yung 11 nag-equal siya dito sa sum. So, yung dalawang numbers na kailangan natin ay 3 and 8. So, yung 4 and 6, di na kailangan to. Okay. Ayan. So, 3 and 8 ang kailangan nating numbers. Ngayon, gawa tayo ng dalawang parenthesis para sa binomial factors. And yung first term ng binomial ay nakabase dito sa leading coefficient, which is 2. So, yung first term ng binomial ay parehong 2x. And then, yung second term natin or yung last term ng binomial ay galing dito, 3 at saka 8. And dahil pares positive, isusulat natin ng plus 3 at saka plus 8. Ayan. So, we have 2x plus 3 and 2x plus 8. So, hindi pa tapos to kasi kumbaga sa dreaming word method na ginawa natin ngayon, ito pa lang yung dream natin. So, paano tayo magigising? Ano bang factor sa paggagising natin? Okay? So, kukunin mo muna, no? Titignan mo muna yung bawat binomial factors and kailangan may mahanap ka, no, na common factor. So, pwedeng isang yung binomial na may common factor, pwede ring dalawa. Hindi pwedeng wala, no? So, dito 2x plus 3, mukhang wala tayo common factor dyan other than 1. So, 2 and 3, wala. Pero dito, 2 at saka 8. So, we have a common factor which is 2. At yun ang i-divide natin. Okay? And by doing so, kopyahin muna natin yung 2x plus 3. And then, ayan na, i-divide natin. So, 2x divided by 2, x, and 8 divided by 2 is 4. Okay? So, kayo nang bahala kung i-check mo yan. Kasi, kayo nang bahala kung i-multiply mo ulit yan. And, make sure na lalabas to. No? But for now, itong 2x plus 3 at saka x plus 4, ayan yung factors ng 2x squared plus 11x plus 12. And this is the final answer. Next, number 2. 3x squared plus 4x minus 15. Again, gagamit tayo ng AC method. No? So, mumultiply natin yung 3 sa negative 15. Okay? So, 3 times negative 15, we have negative 45. Ayan yung product natin. Tapos, yung sum is the coefficient of the middle term, that is positive 4. And then, kunin natin dalawang numbers. So, ilista muna natin yung factors ng 45. So, we have 1 and 45. 3 and 15. Tapos, 4, hindi pwede. 5 and 9. Ayan. And take note, yung product ay negative. So, dapat magkaiba yung sign. So, pero alin dyan? Alin dyan negative, alin dyan ay positive. So, titignan muna natin yung sa sum. So, positive yung sum. So, dapat yung malaking number din ay positive. So, kung positive dapat to, dito naman ay maliit. Yan yung mas maliit na number sa pares. Sa bawat pares, ano? So, we have negative 1 and 45, negative 3 and 15, and negative 5 and 9. Ayan, yan yung mga factors ng negative 45. Next, kunin ng sum ng bawat pair. So, negative 1 plus 45 is 44. Negative 3 plus 15 is 45. But 45. 12. Ayan. Negative 5 plus 9 is positive 4. And there you go. Meron na tayong nakitang sum na nag-equal dito, and these are negative 5 and 9. Yan yung kailangan natin sa factors. Ano? Next, para sa binomial factors naman, so dahil yung leading coefficient ay 3, yung first term natin ay 3x. Tapos, yung second term natin ay negative 5 and positive 9. So, we have negative 5 and positive 9. Ayan. And then, dahil hindi pa ito ang final answer, so, i-divide natin sa kanilang common factor o yung GCF. So, dito, between 3 and 5, there is no common factor. So, dyan lang sila. Okay, pero dito 3 tsaka 9 meron, and that is 3. So, i-divide natin pareho sa 3. And then, we have 3x minus 5. Tapos dito naman, i-divide natin. No? So, 3x divided by 3 is x, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. And this is the factors of 3x squared plus 4x minus 15. Yan yung 3x minus 5 multiplied by x plus 3. And this is the final answer. Next, number 3. We have 6x squared minus 11x plus 4. So, again, gamit tayo ng AC method. So, yung 6 at saka yung 4, ayan, imumultiply natin. So, that is 24. Positive 24. Yan yung product nila. Tapos, yung sum is yung coefficient ng sa gitna. So, we have negative 11. Tapos, kukunin natin yung dalawang numbers, no? So, kunin muna natin yung factors ng 24. We have 1 and 24, 2 and 12, 3 and 8. Using nga natin. 3 and 8, and 4 and 6. Yan. So, since yung product is positive, so dapat pares yung sign nila ng pairs of numbers, ano? Pero yung sum nila is negative. So dapat yung sign ng pairs of numbers ay negative. Ayan. So we have negative 1 and 24, mga ganyan. And that's it. Ayan na yung factors ng positive 24. And then kunin na natin yung sum. Be sure na nag-equal dito sa negative 11, no? So we have dito negative 25. Tapos dito negative 2 plus negative 12, negative 14. Tapos negative 3 plus negative 8, negative 11. Ayan, may nanalo na, no? So yung dalawang numbers natin, yan, nag-equal siya dito, no? So yung dalawang numbers natin ay negative 3 at saka negative 8. Ayan. And then, sulat natin dalawang binomial factors, no? Kung saan yung first term ay nakabase dito, no? In this case, yung first terms ay dapat 6x. Yan, because 6 is the leading coefficient, ano? And then yung last terms ng binomial ay negative 3 at saka negative 8. Yan, galing sila dito. Ayan. And then, hindi pa tayo tapos kasi i-divide pa natin yung bawat binomial sa kanilang common factors. Ano? So, dito, 6 at saka 3, 6x minus 3, ayan. So, i-divide natin sa common factor which is 3. Ayan. Tapos dito naman, 6 at saka 8, i-divide natin pareho sa 2. Ayan, because yan yung common factor nila. And then, by doing so, 6x divided by 3, 2x, and negative 3 divided by 3 is negative 1. Tapos dito naman, 6x divided by 2 is 3x, and negative 8 divided by 2 is negative 4. And these are the factors of 6x squared minus 11x plus 4. Ayan, we have 2x minus 1 and 3x minus 4. Okay. Next, number 4. 2x squared minus 9xy minus 18y squared. Once again, AC tayo, no? We have 2 times negative 18, negative 36. Yan yung product. Tapos yung sum ay yung nasa gitna, negative 9. Ayan. Tapos again, kunin na natin yung dalawang numbers na yon. So, factors muna ng 36. 1 and 36, 2 and 18, 3 and 12, 4 and 9, and 6 and 6. Tapos, yung sum nila is negative, yung product nila is also negative. So, dahil product nila is negative, dapat magkaiba yung sign. However, yung sum nila is negative also. So, dapat yung malaking number ay negative. So, dito, negative. Yung 2 and 18, negative to. Dito naman, 12. Dito naman, 9. Dito naman, parehas. Pero, ini-negative natin to. Okay. Tapos, kunin natin yung sum ng bawat numbers, no? Ayan. Kunin na natin yung sum. So, dito, 1 plus negative 36 is negative 35. Dito is negative 16. Ayan. 2 minus 18. 3 plus negative 12 is negative 9. So, nag-equal siya dito sa sum. Okay? So, ito yung kailangan natin. 3 and negative 12. Tapos, ganun ulit, binomial factors. Yung first term natin ay nakabase dito. No? Since 2 yung leading coefficient, yung first term natin ay 2x. Tapos, yung last term ng bawat binomial ay 3 tsaka negative 12. Kaya lang, tignan mong mabuti. Ayan. May y squared sa last term. Diba? So, ibig sabihin nun, yung factors niya ay y and y. So, idugtong natin ng y yung 3 at saka ng negative 12. So that yung last term ng bawat binomial ay magiging positive 3y, yan, and negative 12y. Ayan na siya yung, ayan na yung binomial factors. Pero hindi pa yan tapos kasi magdi-divide pa tayo ng common factor. No? Okay, so 2 tsaka 3, wala tayong common factors dyan, no? Pero sa 2 tsaka 12, meron. And that is 2. So, i-divide natin yan sa 2. And then, 2x plus 3y, kopyahin lang muna. And then dito, i-divide natin, no? 2x divided by 2 is x. And negative 12y divided by 2 is negative 6y. At ito na yung sagot. Ayan. 2x plus 3y multiplied by x minus 6y. Ayan yung factors nito. Okay, sa number 5, we have 10x squared minus 3xy minus 4y squared. Ayan. So, once again, AC. Ayan. 10 times negative 4, that is negative 40. Yan yung product, no? Tapos, yung sum, nandito siya, negative 3. Ayan. And then, saka natin kunin yung dalawang numbers. So, kunin muna natin yung factors ng 40. So, we have 1 and 40, 2 and 20, 3 di pwede, 4 and 10, and 5 and 8. Yan, wala nang iba, no? 8 and 5 is the same as 5 and 8. So, di na kailangang isulat. Okay, since the product is negative, so magkaiba yung sign. Di ba? Magkaiba yung sign, positive, negative. Tapos yung sum is negative 3. 'Di ba? So, dapat yung mas malaking number ay negative in order na kapag pinag-add natin, yung sum ay negative. So, dapat mas malaki yung negative. So, 1 and negative 40, 2 and negative 20, 4 and negative 10, and 5 and negative 8. Next, kunin na natin yung sums nila. So, 1 plus negative 40 is negative 39. 2 plus negative 20 is negative 18. 4 plus negative 10 is negative 6. And 5 plus negative 8 is negative 3, which is nag-equal siya dito. Okay? So, ito yung dalawang numbers na kailangan natin. Ayan. Next, para sa binomial factors, ayan. Ayan. Tapos, yung first term natin ay 10x². So, dapat yung first terms ng binomial factor ay 10x. Ayan. Tapos, yung last term ng binomial ay positive 5 at saka negative 8. Kaya lang, once again, may y² sa last term. So, dapat magkarugtong yung y. Ayan, lagyan natin ng y dyan. So, that yung last term ng binomial ay positive 5y and negative 8y. Ayan. Hindi pa yan tapos kasi i-divide pa natin yung binomial sa kanilang common factor. So, dito, 10 at saka 5. So, i-divide natin sa common factor na 5. Tapos, dito naman, 10 tsaka 8. I-divide natin sa common factor na 2. And by doing so, we have 10x divided by 5. That is 2x. And 5y divided by 5 is y. Tapos dito naman, 10x divided by 2 is 5x. And 8y divided by 2 is 4y. And these are the factors of the original expression na 10x² minus 3xy minus 4y². And this is the answer. More challenging examples tayo. Okay. So, we have 4x³ minus 6x² minus 18x. So, una sa lahat, ipapactor out natin yung GCF or yung common monomial factor. So, as you can see, yung 4, 6, tsaka 18, may common factor yan, which is 2. Tapos dito naman, x³, x², at saka x, yung common factor nila ay yung lowest, which is x. Yan. 2x yung common factor nila. So, ilabas natin yung 2x. So, we have 2x². Ayan. Minus 3x minus 9. And that's it. Ayan na yung trinomial factor na hanapan natin ng factors kung ito ay factorable. Ano? So, ganun ulit gagawin natin kanina. So, yung ginawa natin na AC test, no? 2 at saka negative 9, which is 18. Negative 18 yung product nila. Tapos, yung sum nila is nandito sa gitnang term, which is negative 3. Ayan. And then, saka natin kunin yung dalawang numbers na yon. 1 and 18 muna. Lista muna natin factors ng 18. 1 and 18, 2 and 9, 3 and 6. And since the product is negative, magkaiba dapat ng sign ng dalawang number. And yung sum is negative, so yung malaking number ay negative din. So we have 1 and negative 18. Mas malaki dapat yung negative. 2 and negative 9. And 3 and negative 6. Ayan. And then saka natin kunin yung sum. 1 plus negative 18 is negative 17. 2 and negative 9 is negative 7. 3 and negative 6 is negative 3. And that's it. Nag-equal siya dito. So yung kailangan natin ay 3 tsaka negative 6. Now, iangat muna natin. Ayan. Unay muna natin yung 2x. Yan, huwag kalilimutan. Tapos, meron tayong dalawang binomial. So, yung first term ng binomial ay nakabase dito sa leading coefficient na 2. So 2x yung first term. Tapos yung second term natin ay, o yung last term ay positive 3. Ayan. And negative 6. And after that, i-divide natin yung binomial sa common factor nila. So dito wala. Pero dito meron, and that is 2. Tapos ganun ulit, kopya. And then i-divide natin itong 2x minus 6 sa 2. We have x minus 3. And this is the complete factorization of the given expression. Next, number 2. 16x squared plus 100xy plus 24y squared. So, kung i-observe mo ng maigi, meron tayong makukuhang common factors ng tatlong terms. And that is 4. So, 4 lang, no? Walang variable. Okay. And then, i-divide natin lahat sa 4. So that we have 4x squared plus 25xy plus 6y squared. And meron na tayong trinomial na ifa-factor, no? So again, i-apply natin yung AC method. Yan, 4 tsaka 6. No, 4 times 6 is 24. Yan yung product. Tapos yung sum nun is positive 25. Tapos ilista natin lahat ng dalawang numbers, no? Yung product is 24. So we have 1 and 24. 2 and 12, 3 and 8, 4 and 6. Ayan. And since positive yung product, parehas yung sign dapat, no? So positive yung sum nila. So parehas dapat ay positive. And then kunin na natin yung sum ng dalawang numbers, yung bawat pairs nun. 1 and 24 is 25. So una pa lang equal siya dito. So, ito yung kailangan natin. 1 and 24, no? And then, solve muna natin yung 4 and then yung dalawang binomial factors, no? We have 4x here. Kasi 4 yung yung leading coefficient niya, kaya 4x yung unang term ng binomial. Tapos, sa pangalawang term naman, ay manggagaling dito. And kaya lang, tignan mo tong y squared. So, dapat may y yan, no? Lagyan natin ng y dyan para may ilagay natin dito, no? So, 1y is positive y. Tapos, isa naman ay positive 24y. And then, i-divide natin sa common factor ng binomial. So, dito wala. Dito, meron, no? And that is 4. And then, 4 multiplied by 4x plus y. Then, 4x plus 24y. I-divide natin yan sa 4. Yung bawat terms nun, magiging ano siya, x plus 6y. And this is the complete factors of 2. Alright, so ito na yung last, no? 3x to the 4th minus 13x plus 4. So, again, AC tayo. So, 3 times 4 is 12. Positive 12. Tapos yung sum is negative 13. Next, kunin na natin dalawang numbers. So, ilista natin yung factors nito ng 12. So, 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. Tapos, ganito. Dahil positive yung product, plus dapat yung sign. Positive, positive or negative, negative. Kaya lang, yung sum nila is negative. So, yung sign ng bawat pairs ng numbers ay negative. Yan. And then, saka natin kunin yung sum ng bawat pair, no? So, we have negative 1 plus negative 12, negative 13. So, una pa lang, nag-equal siya dito. So, ito yung dalawang numbers na kailangan natin. Next, kunin natin yung binomial factors nun. Okay? So, since the leading coefficient is 3, so dapat yung first term niya ay 3x squared. remember, yung first term ay x to the fourth. So, dapat x squared yung factors niya. So, 3x squared and another 3x squared. Ayan. Next is isulat natin yung last terms ng binomial which are -1 and -12. So, wala namang variable dito, tama. So, kopyahin na lang natin. -1 and -12. Tapos, i-divide natin sa common factors. No? So, dito wala. Dito naman meron. Which is 3. 'Di ba? Then tapos, ayan, divide na natin. Ito lang madi-divide, no? So we have 3x squared minus 1. Then ito, 3x squared minus 12 divided by 3. So magiging ano siya, x squared minus 4. And take note, hindi pa rin tayo tapos. Bakit? Itong x squared minus 4, ito ay difference of 2 square. So ibig sabihin nun, pwede pa itong ma-factor. Ito, di naman ito difference of 2 squares kasi hindi naman perfect square si 3 eh. So, dyan lang yan. Pero dito, difference of 2 squares siya, so pwede siyang i-factor as x plus 2 and x minus 2. And this is the complete factorization of the given expression. Okay. And dito po, nagtatapos ang discussion about sa pag-factor ng trinomials. Ayan, kung meron kayong hindi naintindihan or meron kayong gustong malinawan, mag-comment lang kayo sa ating video na ito. And abangan ninyo ang susunod kong mga uploads. Until then, stay safe sa ating lahat. God bless and have a great day to all.